Abadak Tuesday again, and we're going to talk about privacy fence and mesh tarps. So right now we are in front of a brown typical fencing, privacy fencing that you would get at a fence contractor, and we have your consumer heavy-duty mesh tarp. The difference is on the brown behind you, you don't have any grommets. On the Abadak Tarps Plus mesh tarp, you have grommets already built in every 2 feet. So we're going to show you how usually someone would take this, and it's great for golf courses and use it as a privacy fence or keeping dust and debris off of a construction site. You would simply tie it up with the ball bungee and then move it. We're just going to do the corners to show you. And this is a 6x8, which most fencing ranges 6 feet, 8 feet high. And we're going to do the other corner right here. And then ball bungee, just simply you can attach it up on the top right there. And basically, this is what we use for privacy fencing, golf courses, and you can see how it's a little thicker than your average mesh that goes on the fencing. Heavy duty polyethylene, 73% shade, and it comes in green, black, blue, and tan. That's it for today. Thank you for visiting Abadak's Tarp Tuesdays.